Good afternoon. Thanks for joining me today. I'm excited to share with you the assessment on the LLMs in the insurance industry and unlock their potentials. Let's begin by getting to know a little bit about me. My name is Ke, and I'm currently hold the position of Senior Lead Data Scientist at American Family Insurance. In my current role, I focus on several critical areas that contribute to the success, that including unveiling data-driven complexities to gain the valuable insights, that formulating the robust data science strategies that drive the innovation, and as well as building the scalable end-to-end machine learning applications tailored for the production. With over 7 years of experience in the field of data science, my proficiencies spans across the machine learning, predictive analytics, advanced statistics, and specialized in natural language processing. And on the educational wise, I hold a master's degree in statistics from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. Now let's shift the focus to the central theme of today's presentation, the transformative power of large language models in the insurance industry. As we all know that insurance industry that is undergoing a profound digital transformation, and cutting-edge technologies are at the forefront of this revolution. Large language models are one such technical innovation that has caught attention of the insurance industry. And these models has emerged as a powerful innovations, and they have the huge potentials to revolutionize the insurance across the various aspects, from the underwriting, claim processing, to risk management. And in the coming minutes, we are going to explore the exciting world of large language models with a specific focus on their potential within the insurance domain. Here, I would like to share with you one of the efforts that we have done a few months ago to explore the large language models and their potentials application within the insurance domain. This one is to focus on conducting a comprehensive comparative analysis among two leading open source large language models. One is the Falcon, and the other one is the Vicuna. And the goal of this is to gain insights into how these advanced models can transform and help with a variety of insurance-related tasks. And these two models are chosen for their outstanding performance. And for Falcon has been the top-ranking LLMs since its release in May, it outperforming all other open-source large language models until the Llama 2 get released. Additionally, Falcon has one big advantage is that it allows for the commercial usage, so it making it totally outstanding than other LLMs that do not offer this option. And on the other hand, for Vicuna is a llama-based model that it matches with the ChatGPT performance based on the evaluation framework that using the GPT-4 as the evaluator. And our goal here again was to gain the valuable insights into these large language models' understanding of the general insurance knowledge. And by doing so, it will help us to unlock the opportunities where these large language models could be optimally utilized, and ensuring that their model characteristics can seamlessly align well with intended use cases and serve the purpose of the insurance scenario. And through this assessment, in the end, we will shed light on their strengths, limitations, and capabilities to you, and show you how this can open up the possibilities for significant contributions that they can make to the insurance field. Now that we have understanding the primary focus, I would like to share you with this assessment framework and methodology that we utilized for this assessment. And central to this assessment is a curated set of insurance-related questions that spanning across 6 distinct categories. These thoughtful design questions covers a wide range of insurance topics, from the insurance factual knowledge to the practical solutions for insurance-related challenges. And this curated list allows us to thoroughly evaluate how well these large language models understand and perform in the insurance-specific context. Additionally, in this assessment, to evaluate the quality of the model response through a quantitative way, we develop a multidimensional evaluation criteria that utilizing a third and involve a third large language models as evaluation tool and to evaluate their performance in each individual criteria and dimension. And for this criteria, this includes like multiple dimension that from the accuracy, fluency, coherence, completeness, subject relevancy, and the overall performance that which takes in the average of the individual considerations. And in our evaluation part, that each criteria is rated on a scale of like 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest. And as you can see here is the breakdown of the evaluation dimensions that we utilized. And by considering this criteria, we get the comprehensive insights into the performance of both models. This can enable us to understand the nuance and identify the strengths and weaknesses in each. Now, let's take a concrete example of an insurance-related question from the category emotional understanding. Well, you can observe how these models respond to emotionally charged insurance scenarios. The question we ask is, how can insurance provide peace of mind to individuals and families? Here are responses from the Falcon and Vicuna. Well, you can get a direct peek into their respective performance. Here is the evaluation results based on the multidimensional evaluation criteria that we developed. As you can see on the last column, the Vicuna outperforms the Falcon model, receiving a higher overall score at all dimensions. And both models demonstrate the accuracy, fluency, coherence, completeness, and subject relevancy. And this makes them capable of explaining how insurance provides peace of mind to the individuals and families. However, just for Vicuna, it provides a more polished, coherent, and comprehensive responses that resulting in a higher score. Here, this is an example that I would like to showcase how our assessment framework helps us gain valuable insights into the language model's performance and get a sense of their abilities to address various insurance scenarios. In the following slides, I would like to discuss further summaries and findings from this assessment, exploring the broader implementation for the insurance. First, I would like to start with the areas of excellence of these models. As you can see in this table, the Vicuna model consistently outperforms the Falcon models in various areas like factual knowledge, creative writing, emotional understanding, problem solving, and complex analysis. On the other hand, for the Falcon model, it excels specifically in the test completion, that achieving consistently higher scores. Next, here I will do a quick rundown of the strengths and limitations of the both models as we identified in our assessment. And let's start with the Falcon. The models demonstrate a professional and formal tone, which would be a nature fit for the business settings. And when it comes to the quick and concise responses, think about customer support or FAQs, Falcon has got this covered. Moreover, Falcon consistently excels in achieving and delivering the accurate information, making it ideal for complex or technical topics. However, on the flip side, it might not be a great choice for casual or conversational scenarios. It might not resonate well with the broader and diverse audience. Shift to Vicuna, its strength lies in its ability to adopt a friendly and approachable tone, making it well suited to connect with a wider range of groups. Additionally, it really excels at providing the detailed explanations, making it an excellent choice for thorough and engaging content. But every coin has two sides. Sometimes Vicuna might provide more extensive information than necessary. In situations where a concise response is preferred, particularly in professional settings, Vicuna might not be the ideal choice. Also, while it's kind of like get this casual tone, it might not be aligned well with situations that demanding a sort of formal and precise situations. As the end, I would like to share you that some potential scenarios in insurance and suitable large language models based on their respective strengths. And we outline them here. And we like to say at the beginning, like the both models demonstrate a strong performance in the evaluation. And definitely like the choice between these two models should depend on specific requirements and the preferences of the use cases. The ultimate goal of this is to ensure the generated responses from the large language model aligns well with the intended audience, and it can serve well with the purpose of the different scenarios. And here we outline like 3 scenarios for each model that they will be more fit for. First, for Falcon, it will be more appropriate for scenarios that involving the formal communication because it's formal style and objective tone. And also in scenarios where the brief and coherent responses are preferred, the Falcon would be really good for this because of these well-structured styles. And also because the Falcon consistently delivers the coherent and well-structured responses that presenting the information clearly and adequately, it will be great to deal with the complex tasks like underwriting and risk assessment, where this accuracy and coherence are the topmost. And on the other hand, let's take a look at scenarios that Vicuna will be a better fit. And based on our strengths and limitations analysis, we definitely know that in situations where a more conversational and approachable tone is desired, Vicuna will be a better fit there because that is slightly informal styles that can help create a friendly and uplifting atmosphere. And also for tasks that require providing in-depth information, detailed explanation, Vicuna will be more suitable since that it tends to offer more detailed and elaborative responses. And last, Vicuna will be really ideal to interact with the broader and diverse audience since its slightly informal approach will be more appealing to this bigger group. And while the Falcon that it shows this professionalism will be more appropriate and targeting for the specific groups. Well, this is kind of like the insights and the summary that we gained from this assessment to understand like how these LLMs can shine in the areas of insurance. And in conclusion, that I would like to say that large language models is definitely like more than a buzzword. They can be a real game changer for the insurance industry. And as we move forward, it's essential for us to stay updated on the latest advancement in the large language models and explore how they can contribute to shape the future of the insurance. And I would like to thank you again for your attention, and I look forward to discuss this fascinating topic like further. So feel free to post your questions. I would like to discuss you further. And again, thank you for joining me on this exciting journey.